Okay, so you're looking to place an order on Spocket, huh? Well, I'm glad you asked because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want to use Spocket in the first place. Why use Spocket? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory yourself. This can be a great way to start an online business or to expand your existing product offerings. With Spocket, you can simply add products to your store and then let Spocket handle the rest. When a customer places an order, Spocket will purchase the product from one of their suppliers and ship it directly to the customer. How to place an order on Spocket. Now that we know why you might want to use Spocket, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to place an order. Create a Spocket account. If you don't already have a Spocket account, you'll need to create one. This is free and easy to do. Connect your store to Spocket. Once you have a Spocket account, you'll need to connect it to your store. This process will vary depending on the e-commerce platform you're using. Find the products you want to sell. Once your store is connected to Spocket, you can start browsing their products. You can search for products by category, keyword, or supplier. Add products to your store. Once you've found the products you want to sell, you can add them to your store. This is usually a simple process that involves clicking a button. Place an order. When a customer places an order on your store, Spocket will automatically place an order with the supplier. You don't need to do anything. Ship the product. Once the supplier has shipped the product, Spocket will notify you. You can then provide the tracking information to the customer. Additional tips. Make sure you have enough credit available. When you place an order on Spocket, you will be charged for the cost of the product plus shipping. Make sure you have enough credit available on your account to cover the cost of the order. Check the supplier's shipping times. Before you place an order, be sure to check the supplier's shipping times. This will help you manage your customers' expectations. Communicate with your customers. If there are any delays with your order, be sure to communicate with your customers. This will help to avoid any problems. Placing an order on Spocket is easy and straightforward. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start selling products on Spocket in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.